Have you seen those adorable gel animal videos all over TikTok and YouTube Shorts? They look super satisfying. They're incredibly creative, and some of them are getting millions of views. The best part? You can make them yourself in just a few minutes using AI. Let me show you how. First, go to Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, create a new project. Next, switch to video generation mode. Choose Ingredients, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, select the Omni Flash model, and set the video duration to the maximum 10 seconds. Now, upload a photo of any animal you want to turn into a gel version. It can be a cat, a dog, a penguin, a rabbit, pretty much any animal works. After the image is uploaded, add it to the prompt box. Now for the prompt. It's way too long to fit in this video, so I've already put the full prompt on my website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you've pasted the prompt, simply click Send and wait a few minutes while Google Flow generates your video. And that's it. Your AI gel animal creation video is ready to share. If you get creative with different animals and prompts, you might end up making the next viral video with millions of views. So give it a try, and don't forget to check the description for the complete prompt. See you in the next one.